Hello students, I am Vipul Mittal. In this session, I will discuss a multiple choice question on other information. Which of the following may not be considered other information even when included in the entity's annual report? All right. Which of the following may not be considered other information? Now, what is other information? It is information that is included in the annual report. This information may be financial or non-financial, and this information is other than the financial statements and the auditor's report. Now, you have to answer this question that which of the following may not be considered other information even when included in the entity's annual report? So actually, other information can be anything, any kind of information in the annual report, but it cannot be financial statement. It cannot be the auditor's report. So it can be risk assessment report included in an annual report. Yes. Planned capital expenditures. Chairman's statement. Yes. Income statement. No. Income statement is not considered other information. Balance sheet is not considered other information. Cash flow statement is not considered other information. Auditor's report is not considered other information. Yes. So your answer is D. Income statement is not considered other information, even if it is included in the annual report. All right, students, I hope this session is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye. Take care.